and this is my closet. If it looks like I have not changed, it's because I have not changed. I'm so far behind on videos, so please forgive me that I'm filming like 2 or 3 a day. Today's video is, wait for it, Slay Glam. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, there are no words. I appreciate your loyalty. Now, just to let you know, I did cancel the service, but a lot of these boxes, it takes like a month for them to stop. So, I'm deciding on what boxes that I'm keeping, and I'm putting, excuse me, Slay Glam on the back burner just for a few months. So let's see what we have in it. I believe with shipping and whatever it comes to maybe $24, but as always, I will leave the price below. And I can't remember if they have a card in here, so let's see. They do. Okay, so the first thing is Drippin' Diamonds Beauty Diamond Matte Lipstick. So that's the packaging. Oh. How pretty is that? So just the packaging alone makes this a winner. Of course, I have to figure out how to open it. And that is such a beautiful fall color. That is definitely a keeper. Put a little lip gloss on it to lighten it up. And it is, I don't know what color. It says 03. But it's a beautiful color. And then it just slips right back in to that little diamond spot. So, like in the lipstick. And the next thing in the box, probably brushes, I'd imagine. So let's check it out. I hope you guys are having good weather. We're still here in Washington, and it's probably maybe 65 outside. Not warm enough for me to go out and film, that's for sure. So they are brushes. They look like they're eye makeup brushes. I'm not going to open them because I just got a pack. So I will probably gift these or put them in a giveaway. But they're really nice brushes. All right. And I pulled out this huge palette, and I got a palette, it was either last month or 2 months ago, that I almost use every day. Today I have on Jeffree Star Blue Blood, but they do have nice palettes, and just to buy it for their palettes is definitely worth it. And this is Glam Light Alondra Desi 15 Luxury Eyeshadows. Oh my goodness. You can see it, it's like velvet. Now you know I'm going to get it all dirty. But it's a really pretty, wow. Look at those colors. And that gold color or mustard color. So, again, they do, whoops, flew off the side. They do really nice palettes with Slay Glam. Slay Glam. The next thing is Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash, and it's a mascara, and I will definitely gift this or give it away. I am not a mascara person. Let me see if I can open without damage. So it's a really pretty case, but I just won't use it. And I think there's one more thing in the box. Is it another eye palette? Looks like it's another eye palette. Sorry, you know, I love the poppies. This is Extreme Access Pocket Shadow. I guess you can just put it in your purse. 6 mattes, 6 shimmers. But look at the colors. Again, I'm not going to open this one because I just got 2 palettes. I probably don't need 2 palettes. And I will gift this or give it away. But that's a really nice palette. So let's go over everything that was in this great box. The eyeshadow palette, the big velvety one, was $38 retails. The Drippin' Diamonds diamond lipstick must be the color is $26. The Medusa Makeup Twilight Mascara is $12. The Cat Beauty Access Pocket Shadow is $6.99, and it says it's the blending brush set, and it retails for $15. Now, I think it was last month or the month before I was missing an item, and I emailed them to let them know, and they said they would send it out. I still haven't received it. I'm probably not going to email them again since I canceled it, and I think it was an eyeliner, and it's not like I'm desperate for eyeliners. But let me know what you thought of this. I kind of like this. Again, it's an affordable subscription box. If you like palettes, they always put in great palettes. So leave comments below, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.